Hi, I am part of Zoom's marketing team. In my day-to-day, I spend quite a bit of time reviewing campaigns for its tone, consistency, and brand alignment. This work is repetitive, slow, and sometimes details are easily missed. But now I can quickly create a custom agent to optimize my workflow. We are now on Team Chat's agent page. Click on Create and ask the agent to build a marketing review agent that checks campaign for tone, messaging pillar, and product positioning using Zoom's branding policy. Click on Send. Now the agent is ready for our use. Now let's put it to work. There are two ways I can use the agent. One option is chatting with it directly in Team Chat's agent page. I can drop in a campaign, draft, and have the agent review the content for me. The agent reviews the content against our branding guidelines. It will flag the hype language, identifies messaging gaps, and checks whether the copy aligns with our brand positioning. It would also suggest a clear rewrite so that the team can use immediately. This helps us move faster, reduce manual review time, and keep messaging consistent across the campaign. Another way to use the agent is to share it in a chat channel so the rest of the team can use it as well. My teammate Ben can simply add Campaign Review Pro in the channel and drop in a draft for review. The agent will perform the same task for Ben, so once it's been created, it becomes a reusable resource for the entire team. From creation to rollout, the entire process took less than 5 minutes, and now the team has instant access to a consistent brand feedback directly inside chat.